Greetings everyone and welcome to this new video in the series on how to perform statistical data analysis in R for complete beginners. This video focuses on how to load data into RStudio. RStudio provides an automatic function right here, the import dataset option, where you can import your CSV file from text base or your Excel sheet or your data which is in any other format. But since we are all about reproducibility, we will write a code and store our data in an object. Here we can run this code and follow the steps that RStudio takes us through to import a data set into RStudio. If we want to load an Excel sheet, the base R package does not contain an option to do that, to write a code for that. So we can simply install a package in R called read Excel. Since it is already installed for me, I will load this package by using the library function. And once it's loaded, I can now read Excel and file.choose. And now we will be easily able to load an Excel sheet into RStudio. Thanks for watching.